Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen, and I wish you the best cooking and baking. To be creative when you cannot go to the market because we have to stay home, I find in my cabinet one capellini beans, and I will show you a very easy, fast soup. And I find two leftover was in the fridge or the freezer, hotlinkes, but you don't have to make it from hotlinkes if you don't like hot soup. So, and because I like garlic, I will put 4 in it, but you don't have to put just like a few. And we slice it ahead. Of course, I washed my kale, and this way I have my sausage, I have my kale, and I have the beans, so all of them very good. So let me just change, let me put this, make sure it's not moving, and I just coarsely chop it. I think I can put one more leaves in it because I like kale, but I cannot digest just like when I cook it because it's a hard leaf to digest. When it's cooked, it will shrink anyway, so that's why you don't have to cut it too small. But few of my friends really like this soup. Who likes beans? We like beans, so okay, enough showing. Now I will open and I will rinse the beans. Let's hope I can do this with one hand because I have nobody who can help me film. So I add a little oil, and now I can add my sausage. Okay, and if I turn on the oven, that would be, or if I turn on the heat, that would be the best. So I'll show you this when it's sizzling because my vent will go on, so I have to turn it off until you can hear sizzling. And I think it's enough, or maybe a little bit longer because I like it when it's cooked through. Okay, now I can add the garlic and mix it a little. And I saute it a little bit longer. But not too long because we don't want the bitter taste. Okay. Now I can add the flour because I want a little thickness. And then I can add the paprika. And I add the paprika and a little black pepper. It's hard with mixing and camera is in the other hand, okay, but I just remember I want to show you this. And then I adding like 3-4 cups of water, but cold, because when you adding it to the flour warm, then it gets like lumpy, and this way it doesn't get lumpy if you use the cold water. As you can see, it's no lump. Let me add a little more. And I will cook this with the kale a little bit because the beans is already cooked, so I don't have to cook it too long with the beans. You can use any broth, like let's see, chicken or beef or whatever you like to use, but right now I don't have any at home, so I am using I call it the chicken powder, but it's the chicken bouillon. I will add it. I use this a lot. Everything what I am using, all the products, you can see on my Facebook site under Gourmet Hungarian. So that was the chicken powder and chicken bouillon, and this is the kale chopped coarsely, and I can cook this like 10 minutes together, and then I can add my beans, and it's delicious and it's fast. So another idea for you guys when we have to stay home, at least you can eat good. Okay, the sausage got softer. Now I can add the beans. And cook it like 10 minutes together. And I like the thicker soup, but I think I have to add a little more water to it. Smells good, and I know this will be like that because I like the different soups. Have to. So this is tonight's dinner, the capellini bean soup with the apple cake, and it's delicious.